Eat healthy without tracking your macros. If you have ever tracked what you eat in order to lose weight or achieve your body goals, then you understand how quickly you become obsessed with numbers. Food begins to look like numbers in your head instead of nutrients and something to fuel your body. Not just calories, but macros like fat, carbs, protein, fiber, and sugar. If you want to switch to a healthier lifestyle, learn how to eat healthy without ever tracking these numbers. Here are some ways to do that. Eat your veggies. Yep, you can't get around it, you need to eat your greens and other veggies. Vegetables are low in fat and calories, but high in fiber and so many vitamins and minerals. If you don't want to track macros or count calories, but still try to lose weight naturally, add more veggies to your meals. Double up on the veggies and reduce starchy carbs like rice and potatoes, or enjoy spinach with your eggs in the morning for the boost of vitamins. Switch to whole grains and complex carbs. While you don't want to get rid of simple carbs, sugars, and white rice or white potatoes, it is a good idea to balance out your meals with more whole grains and complex carbs. You can start slow by swapping out your white rice for whole grain brown rice about once a week or so, or even do half brown rice, half white rice so you still get the flavor you're looking for. Stop drinking your calories. If you have a habit of drinking a lot of soda, fruit juice, or full-fat milk, you might be getting in more calories and sugar when it isn't even necessary. Try to make a habit of drinking more water and occasional low or no-calorie drinks, and reducing the sodas, sugary coffees, and fruit juices. There is no reason to have extra calories without even eating anything. What are you craving? Really think about what it is you are craving before you choose what to eat. Not just the type of food, but the temperature, the texture, the flavors, and the seasonings. This can guide you to the right place, and avoid the original unhealthy snack you thought you wanted. For example, if you crave potato chips, is it the actual potato chip or just something salty and crunchy? You can instead have a handful or roasted nuts, which give you that salty crunch and contain a lot more vitamins and minerals.